Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Joshua Elder, of course, once again, and welcome to the next video in this training series. This is probably my most favorite video because we're going to be talking about content, and content is the reason why I've been able to create so much success in such a short amount of time with FunnelX ROI. Now, I talked about standing on the shoulders of giants, right, at the end of the last video, and being able to leverage your mentor's success to build your business. Now, I know a lot of you guys can't just go out there and create content like I can on YouTube because you don't have the confidence, you don't have the knowledge, you don't have the expertise, you don't have the experience on camera, and that's completely fine. We're actually going to take baby steps here, and you're going to be able to leverage my content on my YouTube channel, not all the content, but some content that pertains to FunnelX ROI that I've put out and content that I will continue to put out in the future. You're going to be able to use this content, put this content on your landing pages, and use that content to sell and get upgrades without you having to do any of the work whatsoever. I'm going to be doing all the work on your behalf. So what I want to do in this video is I want to help you get this process set up. Okay, so in one of the last videos, you should have set up this funnel. It's not going to look exactly like this. Might look a little bit different because I made some tweaks to my funnel here. But you're going to have this funnel that has a bunch of video pages on the side. Most of these video pages are my case study videos showing my proof. What we want to begin doing is we want to have a broadcast list and a follow-up list of emails, and I'll tell you what I mean by this. So the follow-up emails, right, they're showing people proof. I think we've got about 13 or 14 or so follow-up emails that are referring people back to the FunnelX ROI system to get them to sign up. So I'm just essentially showing proof and then leading them to the sign-up page. Not a whole lot of value. What we want to do is we want to give value within our content as well. Okay, as much as we can. We want to be able to tie in the offer within our content. And I call this selling without selling. It's essentially creating a problem, right? And then illustrating that problem and then showing the solution. So in this case, right, I'm just going to throw something out there. Say the problem is that someone doesn't know how to build an online business, right? So we show the different facets of building an online business. You need a funnel, you need traffic, you need a system, you need follow-up emails, so on and so forth. And then at the end of the presentation, people are probably like, okay, well, I understand what I need, but how do I execute all this? And that's where you're creating the problem and the solution. And the solution in executing all of this would be some sort of product or program. Right? And so what I've designed these videos to do, for example, here's one right here, is I've designed them to, number one, create a problem, right? A real problem that people have, and then offer a solution, which is our team and the FunnelX ROI system. Okay, so one of the problems in this video, right, is the fact that a lot of you don't know how to create content, or you don't want to create content, or you have some fears of creating content. Well, that's okay, right? Because you're going to be able to use and leverage my content. So being able to leverage and use my content is the solution to the problem that you have, and that's why you're watching this video here. Okay, and so that's what these videos are designed to do. So how do we exactly get these videos onto our landing pages? That's what I want to show you how to do in this video here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create, I'm just going to select this last video page here. You can follow along with me. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone funnel step. I'm going to click that right here. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to imagine that we're going to be taking this video, right? And we're going to be embedding it on this landing page right here. Before we do that, we need to rename the page. Okay, so in this case, let's rename it the title of the video. So I'm going to name it Best Online Business to Start in 2019. Right, Business to Start in 2019. And then the path would be, let's do BB BBS 2019, right? And then we'll update the funnel step, update funnel step. Okay. And then what we want to do is I'm going to jump over here. Now here's a swipe file that lists all my videos that you're going to be able to use. Now, I'm giving you some leeway here, okay? I don't want you going and using all my videos and importing my videos into your pages. The only videos that you can use are the videos that are shown on this page, okay? That's it. If I find that somebody's using all my videos, then we may have to shut this down. I do not want to have to do that because I want you all to be successful. So please take this seriously. Only use the videos that I give you access to on this page right here. So you'll notice we have swipe 1 right here. It has the video URL, then it has the title of the video, and then the subject and the body that you'll be able to use in your email autoresponder series. Okay, now listen to me closely. You're going to have a list of follow-up emails, which was the emails that you were able to import into whether you got Kartra, GetResponse, ConvertKit, Aweber. You were able to import these proof emails into that autoresponder and use them as follow-ups. Now, follow-ups are sent out automatically day by day, right? And then you have broadcast emails. Broadcast emails are emails that you can send out whenever you wish. They're more like live emails that you would send out. So these are broadcast emails, okay? So like today, I could send out this email to my list manually. And then the next day, I can pick from swipe 2, right? There's going to be more emails and swipes here as we continue to add more. So just assume that there's going to be more emails here. So swipe 2, you'll be able to use that for your next broadcast email. Okay, so what I've done here is here's an email preview of this exact email that I sent out to my list. Again, this was sent out live. This wasn't sent out as part of a follow-up series. So you want to be sending out broadcast emails in conjunction with follow-up emails. And I would encourage you to change this up as much as possible to make it your own. So for example, what I would do is I would, in your case, this would be like, first name. So whatever your first name is, first name here. How would you like to potentially bring in $3,540 in less than a week by being a middleman and simply giving people what they want online? My good friend and mentor, Josh Elder, just released a brand new video showing you how. All right? So you could just make a minor change like that and then enjoy. And then at the end, you could put, this could be your first name, and Josh. Of course, inserting whatever your first name is right here. So you can go ahead and send that out. So you're essentially saying, okay, this is so-and-so, and then you're handing it off to me. And then this is going to lead people to this landing page right here, right? So that's where we need to configure this a little bit so we can ensure that this video right here is on this page. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit the page now, and then we're going to take the URL from here. I'm going to copy this, okay? And then I'm going to click on the video, and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, and I'm going to click off, and then your link should automatically be in here too as well, especially if you copied a video that was from the case study results video series. Your URL for your Funnel X signup page should already be configured right here. If it's not, again, you could just select this, select action, and then you would enter the affiliate URL for your Funnel X ROI signup page. Again, if you don't know what that page is, you need to go back and watch the previous videos because I showed you how to find that page, right? It's at funnelxroi.com and it's in the links section. So once we do that, we're going to save it. And I guess we could have done this before we saved, but that's okay. But you're going to want to put the title right here too as well. So I could take this right here, including the emojis. I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to paste this right here. And then boom, bada bam. We're good to go. And then I'm going to save. And then I'm going to exit out of here. And then one last thing we need to do. And again, if you need to go back and rewatch this, please do this as many times as you need to. We're going to go and select add funnel because this is not going to be in the funnel right here until we select add to funnel. Once we do that, we scroll down all the way and it's going to be right here. Okay, you can see that I've already copied it once for myself, but this is for this example video here. So then all we need to do is take this URL right here, and when we send out this email, right, we want to make sure this is hyperlinked with that specific URL, right, which would be this URL, okay? And then we would do the same thing for the actual video. We would link out the video, so you should be able to hyperlink the video, and then hyperlink this line of text here too as well. And then you're good to go. You send it out as a broadcast to your email list, and your email list will go from the link to this video right here. So in this case, it would be this video right here. Now, there's one thing that you're going to want to do as a last order of measure to ensure that this goes to the right page. Because if I select this right now, you're going to notice this goes to the wrong page. And the reason it's doing that is because there's two pages in here that have the same URLs. And so you have a few different links right here. Okay, you have the funnel link, which is this one right here that I just copied. And if I just paste it up here, that's my funnel link. Okay, this right here is the split test link, which means if I got two pages right here, when I send people to this URL, it's going to rotate between these two pages. And then you have the page URL, which is this URL here. When I click edit page, it's going to be this path right here. We need to change this path. Okay, so since the title of our video was Best Online Business to Start in 2019, I could do BB 2019 1. Okay, and then I'd update page. And now when I click this, it's going to refresh the page. And then I'm going to click it one more time and boom, it goes straight to the correct page. But again, we want to make sure that we're using this URL right here. We're linking that up in our email. So when we send out the email, that it of course goes to this page right here. Okay, so you're going to want to be sending these broadcasts out at least 3 times a week. I'm going to be adding more follow-ups here for you too as well. So you're going to want to log in here every single day. Come back to this section, this video, click the link below that will lead you to this page right here. And I will be updating this with more swipes. So again, check it daily. Make sure that you're marketing daily. Make sure that you're following up daily. And follow everything that I'm outlining within this FunnelX ROI case study series, along with the Easy1up complimentary case study series, and you're going to be successful. Just follow exactly what I show you to do, and you're going to start generating results. Now, what you're going to want to also do is I would eventually sprinkle in your own content along with my content as well. So then people aren't just building a bond with me, but they're also building a bond with you too as well. Okay, so at some point, begin showing your face a little bit more. Model what I'm doing in my videos. Success leaves clues. And once you sort of take the training wheels off, you can start to create your own videos, your own content, your own landing pages, all that good stuff. So I've given you everything that you need to succeed with this. I hope you take this, go out there, implement it, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.